Place these pumpkins on your windowsill, and an age-old problem will disappear overnight. This simple and stylish solution was shared by a friend who's an expert. Start by preparing a few pairs of long, thick socks. Cut each sock at the heel and toe, as shown in the video. For this trick, you'll need these two sections of the sock. Next, grab a needle and thread in a color similar to the sock. Sew along the edge as shown in the video, then pull the thread tight to bring the edges together. Tuck the ends into the sock and pull the thread tight again. Sew this area to secure it. In the next step, take some rice and fill the sock. Finally, pull the thread tight to join the edges of the sock. Tuck the ends inside and pull the thread again, then stitch the area to secure it. Now take a thicker thread in a different color and sew around the rice-filled sock as shown in the video. Pull the thread tight as you go, so the sock takes on a pumpkin-like shape. With hot glue, attach a small artificial stem, giving the sock a realistic pumpkin look. These homemade pumpkins not only make beautiful fall and winter decor, but also serve a functional purpose. Rice is known for its moisture-absorbing qualities, so place these rice-filled pumpkins on the windowsill to help absorb excess moisture in the air and prevent foggy windows.